Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an accounts receivable to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with using QuickBooks. How do you actually go ahead and add an accounts receivable account to QuickBooks Online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and log onto our QuickBooks account. Then on the left hand side, what you want to do next is that you want to click on the menu toggle button, highlight transactions, and then click on chart of accounts. Once you click on chart of accounts, you're going to see a window or page that looks like this. You want to click on new, and then once you click on new, you're going to be able to enter the account name, the account number, and then select the account type. So we'll just set this to accounts receivable and then click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an accounts receivable to your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts. Keep in mind, though, that QuickBooks does have default chart of accounts that are added to your account already, which one of them is going to be an accounts receivable. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.